Hey there, everyone. It is 7:05 or 6 or 7, October 16th, 2025, and my name is Patience, and I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator with Stampin' Up! I have had a direct sales business now for, 8, 9 years. I've been with Stampin' Up! For 10 years, and I've started out just having parties, making tags and making cards, and I still have a class live in person once a month. I try to go live once a week, and I love it. And tonight I have some Christmas cards to show you with a stamp set and bundle and suite of products. If you're joining me live, give me a comment, let me know where you are and where you are watching from. And I'm a little crazed right now because I was taking my dog Cruz for a walk and he yanked my leash. First time he's done that in a while. And he's black and tan and it's dark outside. And so I lost him for a little bit. He just ran over to the bushes, but I couldn't see him. So I'm a little harried. I got him. I stuck him in the kennel for a little bit so that I can come in here and make this cute card. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and turn you down to my desk. And I'm not able to see the comments tonight because I can't get my laptop to wake up. So just bear with me. So here we go, down to my desk. You may see outside for a little bit. I don't know. Let's see if I can get it. Maybe you just see my ceiling. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. This is the catalog. And I want to show you what I'm going to be working with. This is the Keeping Traditions. Oh, wait. Nope, that's not it. That is a scrapbook kit. Let's see. Let me see if I can find it right quick. We have a lot of cute stamp sets. Here we go. This is Traditions of Christmas. Now, Traditions of Christmas is a 2-stamp, 2-die suite of products. And I usually have all the die cuts and everything done. I have actually traditional labels done to show you how big the labels are. And they're very intricate. They have not moving parts, but parts that are 3D. So it's very intricate dies. They're really good. And there are 15 stamps in this stamp set. So you can make your card say whatever you want. And then the other is the Christmas greenery. I haven't worked with that very much except to make my Christmas card class. And I will show you those cards in just a moment. But this is what I'm really excited about. I have not worked with it very much. Of course, I just got all this stuff in. It was waiting for me when I got in from a trip. I went camping. And this is the traditional wreath embossing folder. Now, this wreath is a good 6x6, I want to say. I cut out a piece of the two-tone cardstock to show you, because I knew some of this would turn white. But this is the embossed image, and I am kind of excited to work with this. I want to do something in green and put some red embellishments on it. I don't know. I see making something really big and nice for this. Not something for the mail, maybe a home decor piece. I definitely know I'm going to do something with this piece that I found. This is a All Because Two People Fell in Love. It's one of those wooden pieces that you buy, and it ended up in a thrift store. So I am going to make something to go over this for home decor. I have done that, and I'm looking around this way, maybe why my voice is moving. I have done that to several pieces where I have found something that, looks cute, but maybe not for me, but I've covered it with something and made it a new home decor piece for me. So be looking for that on my blog tomorrow or Saturday. I will have something made for that. I can't wait to do that. Also, the first thing I showed you was keeping traditions. These are scrapbook layouts, and their Keeping Traditions has its own stamp set. Here's that stamp set. And it has a sticker sheet that goes with it as well. And I do have that sticker sheet. I love all things scrapbook. And so I may use something like this on that home decor piece. It's just really cute. You could make an advent calendar with this. You can make the 12 days of Christmas. We're just going to see what I can make with this. I am excited about it. But if you do not have a catalog, holler at me. I do have a few left. And if you go to notesfrompatience.com, there is a catalog request form there you can fill out. And I would be happy to send that to you. Okay, right now this paper is unavailable. However, I do have plenty for my Christmas card class. And my Christmas card class, you will make 2 each of these 3 cards. And this is a fun fold. Isn't that cute? And then here is another fun fold. And then this is just a straight out card. So I really like this. But if you spend $35 in my store online, and you will get this plus a PDF, plus you won't get the die cuts that go with it, but you will get the paper to make those die cuts, and you'll get all the measurements. Now you have to have this stamp set and this die set to complete these cards as I have them listed on the PDF, or you can take the supplies you get and make your own creations. So this will be on the blog tomorrow, and all the supplies will go out November the 2nd. I believe that's the Monday. Maybe it's November 3rd. November 3rd. That's the Monday after the deadline of October 31st to get this card class for free when you spend $35 in my store. So let's go ahead and get started. I am starting with a card base that is a thick basic white, and it is 11 by 4 1/4, and I scored it at 5.5 in the middle. And then I have a piece of real red that we are going to put right here. And then this beautiful print. It's got poinsettias on it, and it's got a different print pattern on the back. It will go there. I have Secret Sea in a blue. I believe this is Secret Sea. Let me see. Maybe Misty Moonlight and Secret Sea. The dark is the Secret Sea. But anyway, it's a beautiful blue. We're going to put that there. And then we are going to finish it off with some ribbon and some embellishments that go with this suite. And these are traditional sparkle sequins. So I love that. So let's go ahead and get started. I will have measurements to this card on my blog tomorrow. And you can get everything you need there. I'll definitely have a list of what I've used. And I don't know if I gave you the measurement for this. It will be on the blog tomorrow. It's not a standard 4 by 5 1/4, but this piece is that standard 4 1/4, or 4 by 5 1/4. And right now, Stampin' Up! Has a special, and I have contacted all my past demos that I have had, because it is such a good deal. You can get $125 in products for only $35. Now, the normal is $125 in products for $99. So for $35, that is a great deal to get your supplies, get some new colors, or if you want to get all kits, you can get anything. You can make your $125 starter kit anything you want. A friend of mine just signed back up. She's been with me a couple of times. If you want to come and get your kit, and then you don't have to do anything else. You do not have to have classes. There is no obligation. Of course, I would love for you to stay and enjoy and be inspired. I try to keep things on my blog and my VIP page and my business page so that you can be inspired to stamp. I try to inspire my team of stampers to stamp every day because to me it's my therapy. It's just my therapy. Okay, here is the label that I chose. It's one of the labels in the die set, and I have already picked out the stamp set and put it on a block, but let me show you how I did that. This stamp says Seasons Greetings, and it goes on this banner, and I love the way that they just have everything made for you, but that doesn't look right, does it? Let's turn that around. Okay, yes, I think it goes this way. There we go. And so I'm going to want to stamp it like that, and then I'm going to take my block and just set it on top. So then I'm going to get my Real Red and ink that up. Let me stamp that right there. Oh yeah, that looks good. Then let's see if I can get that centered without getting my face in the camera. There we go. See if I can pull that off there. Oh, that's a great rich red. Okay, so I do want to get my dimensionals because I want to pop this up and put this on this card that we have made already. Stampin' Up takes the trouble, the hard part of designing a card, and just makes it easy for you to put these products together. I hope that this card is an inspiration to you. I think I need to put some more dots behind this. Let's get a few more dots so that this is stuck on here really well. Our mini glue dots are sticky, but sometimes our ribbon is a little persnickety. Here we go. Well, I can't even get it to stay. There we go. And right there. There we go. Let's fix our bow again and stick that on. There it is, the sticky right there. There we go. Okay. Now, this card, the card front, this paper, it has blue in it. I believe that's balmy blue. It's got any of these colors in here. However, I want to pull the green out of there. Green is one of my favorite colors. So let's just get some green on here. I'm going to use 3 different sizes. If I can get this one. Let's see. Let's just put that up here in the green. And there you go. This is our card for tonight. It's very simple. It was a simple design, and you could use this design and put any type of paper in there, and it works really well. I think that this is a design that you could use many times, many times. And then you could also put some paper down here at the bottom. You can stamp a bow. You can stamp any of the other images in there and make this card your own. Be looking for this on the website tomorrow. And that is notesfrompatience.com. And I'll have all the measurements and everything on there for you. And I will also have a link for my card class. There will be an email going out with all this stuff tomorrow as well. And yeah, I hope you will like the card class that I have put together. And just let me know what you think. And I would appreciate your comments. This will be on YouTube as well. I will have the replay on Facebook Live with my YouTube and all the links. I could not get my laptop to work, so I couldn't put any detail with my video tonight, my live. So it's kind of wonky. I am also thinking about moving over to YouTube Live. So we'll see how that works. But anyway, thank you for joining me. My name is Patience, and I am your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Good evening.